Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another article here on top energy stocks. As you follow my channel, I've talked a lot about energy here on the channel, whether it be solar or just energy company, anything that we can make money off of the future. And so that's kind of what the plan is with that. But energy is always interesting. And so just had a couple stocks here in the article, so I thought I'd see who out there has these and see what we can all make money on these together and compare notes. So this is the 3 top energy stocks: reliable, speculative, and a turnaround. So in this clip on Motley Fool, recorded on February 8th, Jason Hall shares picks a balanced basket of stocks in energy. So I'm not going to read all of this information, but I've got a pretty good basket of stocks here. Let's say you're looking for income or dividend growth. For dividend growth with these companies, even if it's like high yield dividend stock, this isn't just for orphans and widows. The stock can be beat up the market for the long term, and I'm a big fan of Atlantic Sustainable Infrastructure. The ticker is AY. So it is one of the smallest independent energy companies, mostly wind and solar, some transmission, and also some clean natural gas, some for the newer efficient natural gas, also water desalination as a little side business. I also like Enviva, EVA. I think Enviva is really interesting. The yield, it might be over 7% right now, so which is pretty good. But this is a biomass company. They have a massive scale. They have a really good strategic locations in the southeast, access to ports to be able to get to the product into Europe, where there's a massive demand for it right now. I think the economics at scale work really well if you're looking for the best growth. I'm a big fan. STEM, S-T-E-M. We just talked about, I think, First Solar. This one, I actually have a couple shares in a retirement account. I've had these since 2017. Off the top of my head, I can't tell you the appreciation or anything, but might be making some more videos, separate videos on breaking these down, like AY, EVA, STEM, First Solar. I've talked about quite a few solars stocks here on the channel. Sunrun is my favorite, ticker RUN, and I've talked about several other ones. So even traded Vivint Solar back in the day before it turned into Run, and so I'm just still holding those shares. So if you're looking for a solar manufacturing space, go with First Solar. The balance sheet has been the best in the industry for a long time. They have a great product. They've added a lot of scale. They're really focused on what they're good at and stayed with it and continue to have a great economic model. I think now is a good time to buy on the speculative side. I think Shoals, SHLS, is really interesting. This company that makes the parts for electrical components that connect to these big utility scale things. They sell premium product, but they sell a premium product that doesn't require anything as much skilled labor to install. Shoals is really interesting to me, but here's the last one. I think TPI Composites, TPIC, is an interesting turnaround right now. The bottom line is the management almost bankrupted the company, which is always nice to hear. The CFO resigned, and who was truly culpable? We don't know. The CEO is still around, but basically they got bailed out by Oak Tree Capital, or Oak, for $400 million at 11% interest rate. So kind of an interesting article, and just wanted to throw those out there and see who out there has these particular energy stocks, or if there's any other energy stocks that you want talked about or see a video on, I'd be happy to do those as well. But all about energy, EVs, solar here on the channel, outside of MJ that I do talk a lot about, and semiconductors. Seem like talking about a lot of semiconductors today as well, but this was the 3 top energy stocks. So if you have any of these, like I said, go ahead and leave those in the comments. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And if there's any other videos, like I said, you want me to make one on about a particular stock, go ahead and leave it in the comments. And again, I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.